Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble helmet grounded. First, let's consider why grounding is important. It ensures stability and safety, preventing your helmet from shifting or becoming unbalanced. We'll cover material selection, design planning, and essential safety measures. Our goal is a secure, comfortable, and visually impressive bubble helmet that stays firmly in place. Let's get started on this exciting project. Next, let's gather our materials and build the basic structure. You'll need clear acrylic or polycarbonate for the bubble, about 1/8 inch thick, and a robust material like EVA foam for the base. Cut your dome shape and carefully form it. Then, firmly attach the dome to your base using a strong, flexible adhesive. Ensure the base is sized for a comfortable fit around the wearer's shoulders, providing a solid foundation. Now, let's focus on truly grounding your helmet for stability. Incorporate internal counterweights, perhaps small lead weights or sandbags, strategically placed to achieve perfect balance. A well-designed harness system, like adjustable straps over the shoulders and chest, will distribute the helmet's weight effectively. Don't forget to add soft padding inside for comfort and to prevent shifting. Test the balance thoroughly with the wearer to ensure it feels secure. Finally, let's complete our bubble helmet with finishing touches and crucial safety checks. Smooth any rough edges and cover sharp points to prevent injury. Consider applying a clear, protective coating to the exterior for enhanced durability and scratch resistance. Perform a thorough final inspection, ensuring all components are securely attached. Most importantly, confirm the wearer has clear, unobstructed visibility and sufficient ventilation for comfort and safety during use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.